Introduction to variables. Indigo has $3. Every week she gets some amount of money as her allowance. Assuming she doesn't spend any money, how much money will she have in 4 weeks? Well, Indigo will have her $3 plus her allowance times 4 for 4 weeks. As her allowance changes, the value of the entire expression changes. So she will have a bigger or smaller amount of money. So if her allowance is $5, then it will be 3 plus $5 per week times 4 weeks. So she will have 3 plus 20, which is equal to $23. But if her amount of money per week, her allowance, is $4, then she'll have 3 plus 4 times 4, which is equal to 3 plus 16, which is equal to $19. So after 4 weeks, she'll have $19. This changing value is called a variable. What is a variable? A variable is a changing value. Variables are usually represented by letters. So in this case, we could represent her allowance by the letter A. So the expression would be 3 plus A times 4. And that would give you the total amount of money she gets after 4 weeks, if you know the value of A. What is the point of variables? Variables help us solve equations with unknown values. They also help us model situations. So in this case, this is a graph of Ivy's money after 4 weeks. So as Ivy's allowance increases, the amount of money she has after 4 weeks also increases. Variables can be used in any situation with unknown values.